I'm Rudolph King. I'm a grade 2 student. I will tell you about my poster. This is all about how to save our planet from pollution. Do you know that the Earth is the only planet that people can live? And do you know that pollution happens when the land, air, and water get dirty? Here are the examples how to save our planet from pollution. First, do not cut trees. If you cut trees, it will cause a landslide or flooding. Grow plants because plants help the earth to clean the air. Next, do not litter. Use trash can and do not throw anywhere your garbage because it will cause a harmful. Next, recycle, reuse, and reduce. Cut down what you throw away. Instead of throwing it anywhere or burning it, you can recycle it. Next, stop noise. Less horn while driving or do not play music loudly. Next, save energy. Turn off the light if you don't use it. Appliances and devices if you don't use it because it reduces the amount of toxic power. Next, stop pollution. One example how to stop the pollution. Instead of riding a car, you should ride a bike or walk because it reduces the air pollution and help your body health. Let us be responsible and protect Mother Earth because God gave us the earth as a gift.